Okay, welcome back, you chemistry kiddos. So in this case, we're on number 2, and we've got hydrogen gas, which looks like this, is burned in the presence of oxygen gas, which looks like this. So that means we are doing H2 plus O2, right? And in this case, it tells me my product, so I don't even have to predict those, all right? So that is going to form water. All right, so it looks like we have an A plus B yields a B, which would make this a synthesis reaction. And again, you guys should have some notes in place for how to identify those reaction types. Okay, so I'm not going to review that. It's your job to have those notes. All right, so that looks like a synthesis reaction to me. Right, and I didn't even have to predict those products because they were told to you in that word equation up there. So this is burn. You could even, if you wanted to really impress Mr. Huderberg, add a little triangle up there or something to show that some heat was applied to make that reaction go on. That's not something I'm going to assess you on, but I'll be proud of you. Proud chemistry teacher if you remember to do things like that. All right, now H2 and O2. By the way, just a reminder, those are both Brinkelhoff gases, which means when they're by themselves, they get the 2 next to them, right? That's how they form. They are diatomic elements. All right, now over here, I've got hydrogen 2, and I've got 2 oxygens. On this side, 2 hydrogens, 1 oxygen. Uh-oh, that's problematic. We can't just get rid of an oxygen. Okay, conservation of matter. Something we have to deal with. So if this is a 2 right here, I'm going to make that a little clearer. I did not do that. But anyway, that's a 2, right? I only have 1 oxygen here. So the only way to fix that is to put a 2 there. Now some of you, and again, I know I've said this in class, some of you are going to be tempted to put a 2 there. Never do that. Okay, that's not water when you do that. It's something called hydrogen peroxide, right? This says it forms water. Water is H2O. Okay, so we'll put a 2 there. That makes this oxygen a 2, but it also makes the hydrogen 4. Now, we got oxygen balanced. Great, but now our hydrogen is out of balance. No problem. I'm just going to come over here and make this hydrogen a 4 by putting a 2 there. Boom. Magic.